Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I know you guys are used to seeing me in the fashion realm, but I also love home decor. Actually, I might like it just as much, if not more, than fashion. So today I'm going to show you how I styled these Ikea bookshelves. I love to mix high-low in my home, so I will have some pieces that are a little bit more investment pieces, and then I will mix a affordable piece in. And I think that these shelves are really great for that. Okay, you guys, so this is what the shelves look like empty. And so I have high ceilings. So I knew that I wanted to bring everything up and put some larger items on the top shelves. So my husband put up these two mirrors that we got from Target from the Magnolia Joanna Gaines collection, and he hung those above each of them. And then on the bottom shelves, these are from Ikea. They are just two of the baskets. I'll link them. I put two on each side. And then this is everything that I am going to use to decorate the shelves. I love books, vessels, plants, cute little objects. And this is what I'm going to use to decorate the other shelf. Okay, so I'm going to get to decorating. here are the finished shelves. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about each item. I got this jug at Kirkland's, and this is the Studio McGee for Target bowl. I also got the faux ivy from Target, and I just set it inside of the bowl. These two vessels are from, where did I get these? Hobby Lobby. I got these beads from Kirkland, and I just kind of ran it through the vessel. Thought that was cute. Architectural Digest book, Abrams. This is actually a thrift find. I showed you guys this on my IG story yesterday. It was like a yellow color, and I painted it black. I got this crystal geode from Perigold, I think it's called, in this Vanity Fair book. I found, my husband got me that. I don't know from where. This bust vase is from H&M Home. Helmut Newton book is from a bookstore here in Dallas. And I found these online somewhere. I might have got the bottom one at Home Goods. And this is what this shelf looks like. And let's go to the other shelf. I got this large vessel. I love it. It's like a faux concrete. Actually, I don't even know if it's faux. It might actually be concrete. It's heavy. And the pampas grass, I got both of those from Kirkland's. I got this little statue from Tuesday Morning. I got her from Overstock, and it's just got faux ivy in it. Actually, this is fern. I got this from Hobby Lobby. I found these two bookends from Home Goods. I love how they're old world looking. And these books all came from different places. I'll try to find links for you guys. I love to add natural elements to my decor, and I thought this like seagrass orb was really cool. Got it at Home Goods. Andy Warhol Polaroids book. Got this from a bookstore. I want to say we might have been out of town when I found this. Another crystal geode. I'm obsessed with these. I think they're really cool. Peace sign statue, Overstock. I love pineapples. Got this one from Hobby Lobby, and more coffee table books from different places. I'll try to find links for them. And so this is a completed bookshelf. Okay, you guys, so that completes my how to decorate, or how I decorated my Ikea bookshelves. I hope you guys find this useful and that you go out and get these shelves. They're super inexpensive, and as you can see, you can jazz them up really nicely. Thank you guys. Bye.